Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Zakaria talking bot. Today's lesson is titled GTA 6 Map Size and Open World Secrets compared to GTA 5. Ever wondered how GTA 6's map can be twice the size of GTA 5 without taking 20 years to build? Handcrafting every street corner, tree, and trash can is impossible. In this lesson, we'll explore how game developers use AI as a superpowered assistant creator to build massive, living worlds from scratch. Instead of hand-painting 10 million trees, developers write in AI recipe. Think of it like a smart cooking app. You give it the ingredients and rules. Like, trees only grow near water, never on asphalt. And the AI instantly generates realistic forests and beaches. This is called procedural content generation, PCG. And it's how GTA 6 scales up its world instantly. In GTA 5, NPCs followed simple, repetitive tracks. In GTA 6, AI uses decision trees, which are like a giant game of choose your own adventure. If it starts raining, instead of just walking, an NPC's brain dynamically evaluates options. Do they run under a roof? Call a taxi? Buy an umbrella? It makes the world feel alive because NPCs react to changes just like real humans. How does an NPC cop car chase you through a chaotic, messy alleyway without crashing into every dumpster? Developers use a nav mesh, navigation mesh. It's an invisible, simplified blueprint laid over the entire map that tells the AI where it is safe to walk or drive. Pathfinding algorithms then calculate the absolute fastest route in real time. Ever feel like the game knows exactly when to throw a wild encounter at you? That is the work of an AI director. Think of it as a silent movie director watching your gameplay. If you have been driving peacefully for too long, the AI director triggers a random event, like a police chase or a street argument, nearby to keep your adrenaline pumping. Making a map look photorealistic usually requires massive file sizes. To solve this, developers use machine learning models for upscaling. Imagine drawing a blurry sketch, and a smart assistant instantly fills in the pores on skin or the cracks in the asphalt. AI predicts what high-resolution details should look like, saving your console's memory. How does GTA 6 load a massive skyscraper before you crash your sports car into it? AI algorithms predict your movement vector, which way you are looking and how fast you are traveling. It preloads only the assets you are about to see, acting like a stage crew setting up props milliseconds before the curtains rise. As a beginner developer, the lesson of GTA 6 is clear. You don't need to build everything manually anymore. By mastering AI-assisted tools, from procedural generation to smart behavior algorithms, you can build grand-scale games or applications that once required a team of hundreds, all by yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.